Part 5. Ito naman ay ewan ko kung paano mag-ticket nito. Kaso try ko. Parang lalakyan lang to ng ticket, diba? Kaya sabihin nyo nga kung ano to. Kasi di ko alam kung ano rin to eh. Nangan na lang tayo. So guys, papakita ko na lang yung mga ginawa namin 6 Squid Games. So ito yung isa yung parang dapat matalsik mo tong red. Kaya ito blue. Yes, okay, so I'm okay, but it hurts. But I'm okay. Oh gosh, it hurts. So guys, this is the blue envelope. And this is the red envelope. And I don't know what. So guys, I don't know what this is this game, but you need to catch it on the air. Just like this. If you don't catch it, you are gonna fail. But I don't know what is this game. So this is yung, ito yung sinisipa guys. Yeah, yung sinisipa sa Squid Game. Yan yung mga gawa ko. So guys, wala na akong ibang magawa. So, sasayaw mo na ulit ako. Yung touch.